Hi, this is Deborah Sable Thornbrew, and I'm going to demonstrate OLE, or Object Linking and Embedding, in Word 2013. On my screen I have a Word document, and there is a space in between these two paragraphs. In that space I want to place an Excel chart, some data, let's say. Now there are a couple of different ways I can do this. I can embed a copy of the chart here, which is just inserting a copy of it here and nothing more than that. Or I can link the chart here, which is bringing in a copy of the chart here so you can see it, but it is still remained linked to its original file. And the main difference between linking and embedding is that if something is linked, then any changes or edits that you make to that original file, let's say in the Excel spreadsheet, any changes I make to that file will automatically also be made here in the Word document where its copy is linked. But if I just embed a copy of the chart here, then any changes I make to that chart in the Excel spreadsheet software will not be reflected here in the Word document. I would have to go here and manually do that myself. Let's demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate how that works. So here my flashing insertion point is in this space between the two paragraphs. I'm going to go to my Excel spreadsheet right here, and this is the chart where that I want to bring into that Word document. Now what I need to do to make that happen is I can single click on the chart itself. See, here's where my mouse is. I single click on the chart itself to select it. Notice when I do that the data that was used to create the chart is also highlighted over here, but I'm not going to be bringing that into the Word document, just the chart. So now I'm going to place my mouse here, right click on the chart and click Copy. Then I'm going to flip back over to the Word document in Word software, and that's where my flashing insertion point is right there. That's where the copy is going to go. So now I place my mouse right here and I right click, and I have a number of different pasting options to choose from. How do I want to paste that in here? The first choice is that I will bring in that chart, and you can see a reflection or a preview of it behind me here. I'm going to bring in the chart, and it's going to be the same theme or have the same color, the blue color, which is the destination theme, meaning it'll pick up the same colored formatting as the Word document, and it will be embedded from the workbook. The second paste choice is I'm going to keep the source formatting, which means it'll stay orange, the same color as it was in Excel, and embed it. So I can either choose the Word coloring or the Excel coloring. Either way, for these first two choices, it will embed. So if I pick the orange color, the keep source formatting, and embed it, if I left click on that, that's what will happen. It will keep the same color that was in Excel, and it is now embedded here in my document. Now if I flip back over to my Excel software, and let's say I make a change to this chart to make it obvious. Let's see if I can do that. I'm going to click here and make an obvious change. See how low this brown bar is here for computer repair? I'm going to change the dollar amount from $225 to something outrageously large, like $10,000. Type 10,000 and press enter. So now that brown bar has shot way up high. Okay, so I made a change to the Excel chart in the Excel software. Now, if I flip back over to the Word document, I switch over to that, notice that this copy of this chart has not changed at all. This $225 for the brown bar for computer repair hasn't moved, it hasn't changed. So any changes I make now to this chart will not automatically be reflected here in the Word document because all I did was embed it. Well, now I'm going to delete this copy of the chart out of Word, and now let me go back to my Excel spreadsheet and I'm going to undo the change that I made. So I'm going to go back to Word, and I still have a copy of that chart in my clipboard, so I'm going to right click and click paste, but this time instead of just choosing to embed the chart, the workbook chart, I'm going to choose to keep source formatting and link the data. See the difference between this one? This one says keep source formatting and embed the workbook. This one, this choice says keep source formatting and link the data. So I'm going to choose that one. So now here's a copy of the chart again, and it looks the same. It doesn't look really any different than it did the first time when I first embedded it. Notice the $225 is still the same. Now I'm going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet software and I'm going to make that same change in this chart. So I'm going to change the $225 to 10,000. Type 10,000 and press enter, and notice that brown bar has shot up. Well, so far I've just done the change to my Excel spreadsheet only, but if I take a look at the Word document where I linked this chart, the same change will be reflected, and there it is. So any change that I make to the Excel, I'm going to go back to the Excel chart. Any change I make here will automatically happen in the Word document. I'm going to make one more change. Let's say I want to do this. Let's say the replacement cost for the water heater, instead of $1,200, I'll make that also $10,000 to make it incredibly large. Press enter. So now this pink colored bar has shot up. Now let's go back to my Word document and see if it happened there too. And it did. It is. And that's because this chart in my Word document is linked to its original file. So any changes I make to that file will automatically be reflected here, which is really important if you're dealing with a lot of data changes and yet you have something imported into a document and you want to show those changes without having to manually go in and update it every time. If all you ever want to do is have to update the chart in Excel and just have it automatically show up in your Word document, in your report, you have to link the object and not just embed it. Now, let me go back to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to undo the last change that I did, flip back over to Word, and of course it reflected that same undo. So any changes I make work. But keep in mind this very important thing. When you link an object into a Word document and it's linked from some other file, that link can be broken and it won't work anymore if you separate those files. They have to remain saved and held together in the same location. So let's say if I take this Word document and move it to a different folder or even a different computer, that link is broken and any changes I make to that Excel spreadsheet will no longer be reflected into this Word document. So you have to keep them together in the same folder on the same computer or flash drive or the link won't work anymore. And that's the basics of OLE.